really using the Irish language in the Clayton it's very important for us because it allows us to root ourselves more in the cultural identity in the community here in the West in particular, which is really important. In an indigenous yet international hotel chain, our sense of place and who we are really stems from our surroundings in our community, the people that work with us here, our customers, most of whom come from within the region.
Thomas Brotul van an Gaeilge Labhartha Seán Clayton. Bíonn an Banshee as Connemara anseo agus ná hagann siad isteach seo go teas van an Labhartha Gaeilge Lo. I've been wishing some air, so been in sort of good living some air and Labhartha Labhartha Gaeilge agus táim se go leor agus bíonn an lá ní sár ceapan an tá siad ná Labhartha Labhartha an agus sin buntáis sa mór an ceap.
So for us to acknowledge and try and promote the use of the Irish language in our everyday transactions then as well, again gives us that little bit of identity, that connection to the people out there as well. It's very, very important for what we're doing in the West.